Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for Beacon Community Impact's new website. To access the website, go to impact.beaconhealthsystem.org. I'm going to take a few minutes to walk through the new features on the website, starting with the homepage. So as you can see here, Beacon Community Impact's homepage shares a little bit about the purpose in the community. To learn more, you can select Our Purpose, and then gives the opportunity to meet some of the friendly faces on our team by clicking Meet Our Team. If you scroll down, you can see some data about the impact we've been able to achieve so far. And for more details about that, you can select the Community Benefit Report. A new feature that I hope you guys will find helpful is this Find Community Health Partners. So here is the search function that you can use to see our most current partners that serve a specific population. A specific topic, or a location. So there are partners and resources here, so this function should be very useful for community members and partners. If you keep scrolling, you can see our current priority areas. If you were to click on one of these, you get more details about the strategy and framework within that area, as well as partners and resources for that specific topic. Throughout the website, you'll see there's information on the crisis text line. We want to ensure our community and partners know that this is available 24/7 for crisis support. Here we'll have information about our current or upcoming classes and events. We hope to include more information from our partners here as well. We also post this type of information on our social media. So if you'd like to follow Beacon Community Impact on Facebook or Twitter, you can do so. Or if you want to reach us via email, you can use communityimpact@beaconhealthsystem.org. And then if you're interested in being a partner in the future, here is where you can kind of select information on how to do that. So I'm going to scroll back up here and go through some of these tabs in a little more detail with you. So the About tab. So this is where you can learn a little bit about our purpose and mission and our approach to priority health needs in the community. You can see who's currently on our health advisory committee, as well as some of the faces who currently work for Beacon Community Impact, what their roles are, and their contact information. So for CHNA resources, this is where you're going to be able to see that detailed community benefit report. And we actually have them currently posted 2016 through 2019. So this is kind of a summary of what we've been able to achieve with our partners in the community. You'll also be able to access our community health needs assessment, which is what starts at the beginning of the 3-year cycle to identify what our priority health needs are going to be. The community are the ones who kind of identify that for us. So here's the reports on how those were selected and what the community had to say. So again, you'll see 2015 through 2021 for the community health needs assessments. So here's a new resource for nonprofits. So as I mentioned earlier, you can access this page from the home page. This is where you can see information about how to become a future partner. The portal for applying is here, as well as the most current reference documents our current partners are using. And then here you can see a bunch of resources that we've been able to compile just to help nonprofits, whether you're a partner or not. We thought these could be helpful. So you will find some best practices and research based on health topic using the search bar, or just capacity building for nonprofits. So if you wanted to search something for logic model, you could do that as well. So we will continue to add resources to this page. If there's something that you would like to share, please let us know and we'll include it here. So the priority areas tab shares a little more detail about our current priority health needs. So as you can see here, these are our current 5 priority health needs. If I were to click on one, so let's click on healthy mind, it goes into a lot more detail about why this is a current health need, as well as kind of our focus within healthy mind. And then a list of our current partners that are addressing the healthy mind priority. You can see more about them by clicking on one of their profiles, and as well as their contact information. So here I clicked on Big Brothers, Big Sisters. You can see a little bit about them as well as where they're located and who to contact. So then we have our ACEs tab, which is the Adverse Childhood Experiences. This is one of our current initiatives and a little information about that. And then another way to access our classes and events with the search function here. If you have an event, please let your project specialist know, and we'd be happy to add that here. So that is the new website in a nutshell. I hope it ends up being helpful for you. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please reach out to your project specialist or go ahead and email communityimpact@beaconhealthsystem.org. Thanks.